Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the best mobile gaming tips and tricks. What if I told you there's a legit way to get unlimited diamonds and gold with super easy Stormshot, Isle of Adventure hack method? No complicated steps, no special tools, just a simple hack tool that works on both iOS and Android. No jailbreak, no root, no computer needed. I've tested it myself, and trust me, it's a game changer. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump in. Before we begin, you'll want to make sure your Stormshot app is fully updated. Don't skip this. Running the latest version ensures that everything works smoothly. Next, open any browser and go to this special website. This is the only site I've tested that actually works. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to find Stormshot hack and click on it. Now, you'll see a simple interface explaining the tool. All you need to do is tap the orange button to start the process. The system will begin injecting the mod. You might notice things like proxy setup, security encryption, and bypass processes happening in the background. Don't worry, it's all automated to keep your account safe. Just sit back and let the tool do its thing. Before unlocking your resources, there's just one last step. A quick human verification to prove you're a real player. This might involve downloading and opening a free app for a few seconds or completing a super quick survey. It's fast, easy, and only takes a minute. Plus, if you get stuck, the site has a step-by-step guide to help you out. Once that's done, you're all set. Once you've completed the verification, it's done. Your resources will appear instantly in your app. Just like that, you're ready to dominate the game without any limitations. I've tested this method myself. After completing the verification, my resource balance was maxed out in seconds. Now, I can fully enjoy the game without worrying about running out of resources. If this guide helped you, smash that like button and share this video with your gaming squad. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. And of course, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest gaming tricks, mods, and strategies. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.